This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: access, permissions, and logs, then act. First, SSH into the host or open RDP, because without access you cannot proceed. Once connected, pull the latest Apex log lines, focusing on timestamps and error codes to locate the trigger. Next, check the running processes and service manager, systemtl, Docker PS, or Windows services, so you know whether Apex is stopped, crashed, or stuck. This immediate context saves time and targets your next steps. Once you have logs and status, reproduce and isolate the cause. You should run the failing request in staging with identical headers and payload, because replication confirms whether it's environment or code. While reproducing, monitor CPU and memory and inspect stack traces for specific modules or plugins. If a plugin or recent commit appears, disable it or roll back incrementally. This narrows the fault. Make sure to note timing, user load, and external dependencies, since those explain intermittent versus consistent failures. Now implement the repair. Patch the code, correct configuration, or restart the service gracefully so sessions close cleanly. After the change, run the full test suite and smoke tests, then perform a controlled production deploy to a small cohort. Validate user journeys and metrics. Make sure latency and error rates return to normal. If the issue persists, collect fresh logs and a core dump, include timestamps and request ID, and escalate with those artifacts. This single troubleshooting tip speeds external help considerably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.